Why did the market drop? That's the question. What's going on, guys? It's Crypto Chad here. Thank you guys for tuning into another video. If you're returning, give me a like. And if you're new, hit that subscribe button if you want to get it all up to date on the newest happenings in the cryptocurrency space. So today's topic is why the market dipped. And when I say the market dipped, I mean it really dipped. I mean, we were at about 415 billion market cap, 420, all the way down, broke that 400 barrier and went all the way down to 387 at the current moment. We dipped down a little further. Then the 7-day, I mean, you can see we came up to a real high nice here about 470, and we just have been kind of coming down ever since. So what are the main reasons that the market crashed? Well, this is not a crash, crash, dip down. So one, I suspect that this Upbit exchange in Korea had something to do with it. Now, basically what they were doing was falsifying the records, basically being a bank, you know, because in banking you can do fractional reserve banking. You can lend out more money than you have. In cryptocurrency, you can't do that because thank God, at least in Bitcoin, you can't do that because as we all know, Bitcoin is in the blockchain and you cannot, you know, it's immutable, the immutable ledger. So because of that, this exchange was claiming to have more Bitcoin than they did, and also they did not want to go with the rest of the exchanges in South Korea to support self-regulation, as you see here. But why just one exchange going down? That's really going to affect the market? Well, yes, when it's Upbit. And Korea, you guys got to understand, Korea is a huge place for Bitcoin. One, because Japan legalized it, so Korea's got to compete. Two, the Korean people just love Bitcoin, and they almost rebelled when their government tried to, you know, regulate it and remove it harshly. And then three, China has put all the restrictions on Bitcoin, so a lot of Chinese are probably trading in the Korean markets. So, and it's because of that, Upbit happens to be the fourth largest exchange worldwide in 24-hour transaction volume. They're the largest, the fourth largest. So, being the fourth largest, being that this isn't Mt. Gox and there's not only one exchange with 70% of the transactions, I'm not sure what percent of the transactions they actually have, but it's nowhere near 70%. And again, this is why we're not in 2014 like my last video. Go check that out if you haven't seen it. But this is one of the reasons that the market crashed. Another possible reason, I'm not really using this, but as most of us know, hopefully you guys know about Mt. Gox. Again, see my last video. The move of 8,200 Bitcoins moved off of a cold wallet storage that hasn't been used for years. And these are all the Mt. Gox hacked Bitcoins. So that kind of put a panic in some people that know a little more about what's going on, because most people in cryptocurrency today probably they've heard of Mt. Gox, but they don't really know what it is. And probably most of the people today don't even know what cold storage means. So most people didn't see this, so I'm not saying this was a big reason why the market happened. I think it's more has to do with the South Korean exchange. And then the last reason of why we had such a pullback, dare I say, is because, dude, we had such a crazy run-up. And I wish I could find a really good chart I have to go on TradingView or something. But, I mean, we came down to this point. You know, we came down to this point. Let's go take a look at the Bitcoin chart, you guys. Let's head on over there. But, we got down, look at this. We got down to a point, and right there, see there it is. So here's the chart I was looking for. So, we got down to this point, and then from there, I mean, we really, just look at that. Look at that huge buying action immediately from 6,800 to like almost 8,000, and then just bullish all the way up, all the way hitting that 9,007, then retesting at the 9,009. So we had a huge run up as well, guys. So I expect it to come down. The next level of support to really watch is the 8,000, the 8,000 level to 7,900 level in that area. And if that fails, then we're basically down to 7.6. And if that fails, we're back down sub 7. But who knows, that could happen. We could dip down a lot further. It's not, we could dip down right back to right here, to that sub 7. Or we could even dip down to right here. But we'll see. But anyway, that's the reason why the market kind of pulled back after we were just so bullish the last couple of days. We really just lost our momentum, and we're due for a correction anyway. So either we're going to just tank down, we're going to go into that 2014 bear market, or we're going to have a crazy prediction like Tom Lee of Fundstrat Investing, where he says Bitcoin is going to rally 70%, possibly up to 70% this coming week. So we'll see. But anyway, that's all for me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.